how to send money from Remitly to bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can send money from Remitly to bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Remitly app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on send. Then tap on send to new recipient. After that, enter the amount that you want to send and tap on continue. Then tap on bank deposit. After that, choose the recipient's bank. Then enter the recipient's bank account number and tap on continue. Over here, you have to enter the first and last name of the recipient and tap on continue. Then enter the recipient's mobile number if you want to receive transfer updates, or you can skip it as well. After that, tap on continue. Then enter the sender's detail and tap on confirm. Here, enter the sender's address and tap on continue. Then enter the sender's phone number and tap on continue. After that, it will ask you to enter payment details like card number and so on. So just enter the required information and you will be able to send money to a bank account. So that's how you can send money from Remitly to bank account. That's all for this video.